Umabot na sa Island Barangay ng Pamarawan sa lungsod ng Malolos, Bulacan ang oil spill mula sa MT Terra Nova na lumubog sa karagatang sakop ng Limay, Bataan. Ito ang kinumpirma ni Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernando sa naganap na pagpupulong kasama si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. nito lamang Sabado, July 27. Nakausap na raw ng opisyal ang mga apektadong mamamayan at hiling niya ngayon sa Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DNR na kaagad mabakura ng bahagi ng karagatan kung saan kumalat ang langis upang hindi na ito makapaminsala pa.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, meron na po kaming report dun po sa Pamarawan. Yeah. Na meron na silang nakikita na.
Amoy na yung...
Yes, sir. Meron silang nakikita eh. Kanina lang, nireport ng ating kapitan doon, ng brigade captain doon, na meron na silang nakikita ng oil doon. Kaya nga po, sir, kagabi, nag-meeting po kami ng Coast Guard. Sinabi nila, sabi ko, just to avoid the spread, we need to maglagay na talaga ng boom. Ano po? Kasi kakalat po yan eh.
Kabilang naman sa mga tinitignang solusyon ni DNR Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga ang paglalagay ng mga organic broom na gawa sa balat ng nyog at dayami upang hindi na lumawak ang danyos. Umapela rin si Pampanga Governor Dennis Delta Pineda na agarang magsagawa ng aksyon dahil malaking industriya rin ng pangisdaan ng posibleng tamaan sa mga coastal town ng Pampanga kung hindi ito maaagapan.
I think we need to, parang sariling sikap po tayo. Mahal po yung commercial spill, although unlimited in supply.
Yeah.
So, pwede po kaming tumulong para mag-train po ng kung gusto man mag-volunteer.
Yeah. Regarding the organic boom.
Opo.
Immediate po sana ma'am training
Opo.
na kagad kasi no
Yes, sir.
choice na po kami. Hindi naman ho para maghintay kami nito.
Opo.
I-anticipate na ho natin tong sitwasyon na to. Especially ang dami ho na thousands of hectares po yung fish ponds namin.
Opo, sir. So, we will provide the training po.
Are we already starting to put together those booms, the indigenous?
Sir, not as of the moment, but we need to
Let's
get
get
the
started
local-
with that.
Yes,
Alam na
sir.
natin gawin eh.
Yes, sir. So there have been already offers to help the LGUs. We will just bring the people in po. Kung pwede po, magkumolekta na po tayo ng mga organic materials na pwede pong gamitin.
Like what? Like
Dayami,
what? Para malaman, para alam na
dayami po, coconut husk.
Coconut husk yung ginamit namin dun sa
Meron
Mindoro,
po
very
kaming
effective.
source ng
At
decorticator
saka
na
indigenous, marami
pwedeng
tayong
i-shred
ganun.
po yun para gawin po
Oo.
ng spill boom. Yung ginawa po rin namin sa Mindoro.
Samantala, ipinakita ng Philippine Space Agency sa publiko ang posibleng lawak ng oil spill sa Manila Bay, bunsod ng paglubog ng MT Terra Nova. May kargang 1.4 million liters ng industrial oil ang tanker na tumaob noong Huwebes, July 25 habang nananalasa ang bagyong Karina na sinabayan pa ng habagat. Kasama si Paulo G. Santos, Arlene Salonga, CLTV 36 News.
Hanap mo ba ay affordable sporting apparel para mas maging comfortable at safe ang iyong pag-exercise? O di kaya na may bagong sneakers to match your fit and vibe? Well, we got some good news for you, kabalen! Binuksan na ang Upper Ground Clark City Front Mall, ang first ever branch ng Planet Sports dito sa Pampanga.
Yes, we're very excited and we can't wait to share with you guys what's in store for Planet Sports. It's, yes, like what you said, it's the first Planet Sports in Pampanga, one of the biggest also. It's actually a multi-brand stores and our tagline is the world's best brands because we house the best brands in the world in Planet Sports.
True to their tagline ang Planet Sports dahil dito makikita ang pinakamaraming options. And to celebrate their grand opening nito lamang July 26, iba't ibang special offers and surprises ang hinanda ng Planet Sports para sa mga shoppers.
So Planet Sports, we have a wide variety. We have the best brands. We have Skechers, Hoka, Airwalk, Diadora, Lotto, LS. So anything that you need, in terms of related to sports, sporting goods. The good thing about this is we have our last call, meaning our value for money, because we wanted to cater the wider market. So everyone can visit us, everyone can buy, everyone can start their own sports.
Kabilang sa mga nakisaya sa grand opening ng Planet Sports Pampanga ang celebrity na si Rica Peralejo. Bukas ang Planet Sports Pampanga araw-araw from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Make sure to visit them now para maka-avail ng big discounts on your favorite sporting items.
Well, I'm very happy that there's one here in Pampanga. I have very good friends in Pampanga. That's why I'm here. But yeah, I mean, every time like I have to look for either the latest models or designs, or if I'm looking for sales, Planet Sports has always been a go-to naman, even in Manila. So, very excited for everyone here to have this in Pampanga.
JM De Jesus, CLTV 36 News.